While search-powered digital advertising growth in the 2000s and social media fueled the 2010s, retail media is driving the 2020s. The worlds of marketing and e-commerce are converging, and it's imperative for marketers to understand what success on retail media networks looks like. With WARC Digital Commerce, we'll help you understand the basics of how to win the marketing battle on Amazon, Instacart, and more, and be the smartest person in the room, with benchmarks, best practices, and use cases on which brands are winning and why. Leverage interactive dashboards to understand which brands are ranked strongest, what they are doing well, how this compares to your brand, and where the areas of opportunity are to improve from a marketer's point of view. We do the heavy lifting on synthesizing publicly available data so you can spend less time collecting from various data sources and more time acting on the results and trends over time. Utilize WARC retail media benchmarks to understand the latest media performance metrics by platform and ad format. By understanding retail media benchmarks and insights on ad spend trends, you'll confidently track key KPIs across major retail platforms and plan better with informed decisions based on data rather than guessing. Take advantage of platform primers, platform fundamentals, practical advice, and structures for success to navigate the fast-growing world of retail media. Understand the basics and nuances on how to advertise on platforms like Instacart and Target to fuel your strategic planning. Take the learnings of what's working and apply this to your own strategy to make decisions based on data rather than gut feel. For example, learn how a food brand became an Amazon bestseller by using sponsored product ads. Are you ready to take on the next digital marketing disruptor? Contact our team via email at americas@warc.com to learn more.